Welcome back to my channel Bike Rider. Today the 2026 Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory is a high-performance middleweight naked sport bike that blends aggressive styling, advanced technology, and thrilling power for both road and track use. At its heart is a 659cc parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine that produces about 105 horsepower at 10,400 revolutions per minute and 70 Nm of torque at 8,400 revolutions per minute, giving it an energetic yet manageable power delivery for everyday riding and spirited cornering. Built around a twin-spar aluminum frame with premium Öhlins suspension, 43mm adjustable USD fork up front and a fully adjustable monoshock at the rear, the Tuono 660 Factory offers precise handling and stability at speed. Brembo brakes with dual 320mm front discs and a 220mm rear disc ensure strong and confident stopping power. The bike's wet weight of around 181 kg and compact dimensions contribute to its sharp handling and agile feel. One of the standout aspects of the 2026 model is its sophisticated electronic suite, Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC). This includes ride-by-wire throttle, multiple engine maps, traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, quick shifter, launch control, and cruise control, all managed through a 5-inch TFT display with backlit switch cubes for ease of use. These systems enhance both safety and performance, allowing riders to customize the bike's behavior to suit conditions and skill level. Stylistically, the Tuono 660 Factory carries a bold, race-inspired look with aerodynamic bodywork and distinctive graphics that reflect Aprilia's racing heritage. Full LED lighting in